Hello friends, Naveen here from WP Help Guide. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to put your WordPress site in maintenance mode in a couple of minutes using a simple plugin. The plugin I am going to use is SEO friendly and easy to set up. I'm also going to show you how you can add a countdown timer, email subscription and link your social media profile. I'll also demonstrate how you can add a chatbot to make your maintenance page more interactive. So without a further delay, let's get started. Head over to your dashboard and go to plugins and click on add new. In the search bar, type for WP maintenance. Here you will see a couple of options to choose from. The plugin that I am going to use is WP maintenance mode. The plugin has a current active installation of 700k and was updated 2 weeks ago. Now click on install now. Wait for a few seconds and the plugin will be installed. Now the plugin is installed, click on activate. Though the plugin is activated, the maintenance mode is not enabled yet. So head over to your settings and click on WP maintenance mode. As you can see here, the status is deactivated, which means the maintenance mode is not enabled. To enable the maintenance mode, select the activated option and click on save settings. To ensure that we have successfully enabled the maintenance mode, copy your website URL and open in a private browsing mode. As you can see here, we have successfully put our website in maintenance mode. Here you can see the text. I'll get back to on how to change this text. Now let's head over to our dashboard and see what are the settings available. So here you can see a couple of settings. I'll go one by one and explain what those settings mean. The first settings is bypass for search bots. I suggest you enable this to yes so that the search engine are able to crawl your content. So the search engine will not know that your site is on maintenance mode. The next option is backend role. By default, the administrator have all the access and can access the website. If you have other users on your website and you want them to see the maintenance mode, you can select the roles which you want to provide access to the maintenance mode. The next option is front-end role. Here the option is similar to the backend option, and here you can also specify which users can see the front end of the website. The next option is robots meta tag. Here you will get the option for index follow and no follow. I suggest you enable index and follow so that your site is indexed on Google search engines. The next option is redirection. So here you can specify a URL to redirect the users who don't have access to the maintenance mode. So if you have a couple of users and you don't want them to see the maintenance mode, you can redirect them to the specific page and let them know that your site is on maintenance mode. The next option is exclude. Here you can specify the path that you want to exclude from the maintenance mode. I suggest you leave this as default and do not make any kind of modification, because if you do, you might end up not able to log in on your own site. So just keep the options as it is. The next option is notice. By default you can see the option is enabled, so the users are aware that your site is in maintenance mode. The next option is dashboard link, whether you want to add a dashboard link on the maintenance mode page or not. I'll show what this means. So if I enable this option, save the settings and visit the site, you can see the dashboard link, and when I click on this link, it will take me to the login page. The next tab is design. In the design tab, you can change the appearance of your maintenance mode page. So here you can change the text if you want to, and you can also change the text color. You do get an option to change the background image as well. So here you can change the color, upload a background image, or select the predefined background image. For this purpose, I will just select a predefined image. So I'll go with this image and click on save settings. Now let's see what our maintenance page looks like. When I refresh this page, you can see a background image, and this makes the maintenance page look less boring. The next option is modules, and here you can see couple of options. You can enable your countdown timer, add a subscription form, and also link your social media profiles. If your site is in maintenance mode and you plan to turn it off in a couple of days, you can specify a timer. So I will enable the timer, select the option yes, and you can select the date and time. So I'll choose 29th, select an hour, minutes and seconds. When I am done, I'll just click on done option, and you can also change the text color. So I'll just leave it as default, and let's see what it looks like to the visitors. Here you can see we have a countdown timer, and it will notify the visitors that the site will turn off after this period of time. The next option is subscription form. If you want to display a subscription form on your maintenance page, you can enable this option. So if you enable this option, select yes, and here you can change the default text. I'll leave it as it is. Change the color, you can also change the color. I'll leave it as it is default. And down below we do have options to link to your social media profile. I'll select the options to show you how it exactly looks like. So I'll just put the hash, down below we do have options to enable the contact form. If you want to enable the contact form, select the option yes. At the bottom we do have options to enable the Google Analytics. So if you have signed up for Google Analytics, you can enable the analytics and add the tracking code here. So you can monitor from your analytics account how many traffic you are getting on your maintenance page. I'll leave as it is and click on save settings. And when I refresh this page, you can see we do have a subscription form and social media links and contact us as well. The color is slightly off. It all depends what kind of background image you are using, and if the social media links are not properly visible, I suggest you change the background image. The next option is manage bot. So from this option you can enable whether you want to display a bot on your website or not. So when you enable this option, activate it and click on save settings. So here you can see the bot is typing, and to the visitor it looks like someone is typing from the backend. So here your visitors can type their info, and they get a couple of options to choose from. And if they want to be notified when your maintenance mode is off, they can enter their email address, and when you turn off your maintenance mode, they will be notified by an email. In the back end, you get an options to change the bot name. You can also upload your avatar and also change the message that you want to display. If you want to change them, I highly suggest you go them or leave it as it is. Now when you are done, click on save settings. The last option is the GDPR. By default it is deactivated. If you have a privacy policy page that you want to display, select the status activated, and here you have to link your privacy policy page. I do not have a privacy policy page at the moment, so I'll leave it as blank, but if you have, I suggest you that you replace this hash with the privacy policy page link and then click on save settings. Now when you head over to your maintenance page and refresh the page, you'll see the privacy policy page here. Again, the text is not quite visible, but again it depends on what kind of image that you are using. If the text are not readable, I suggest you change the background image. This is how you can put your WordPress site in maintenance mode. If you find this video helpful, please like the video and hit the subscribe button so that you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. If you have any feedback to share, do let me know in the comments below. I'll reply to each and every comments.